SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether SERV Robotics stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. We're sitting at $17.50 and it's like 16% up. Looking at SERV, I genuinely still want to take it higher, and that's exactly how my idea looks like. Now, relatively speaking, what I was waiting for SERV to give me was a double break. That was like the main thing that I was observing and looking for, and it gave me that. I mean, it gave me exactly that. So here's the first break. Here's the second one. And then after this here, this thing is already on for me. This should not be going anything lower than this point here. Here's the SL. And the only case in which I'd take like a break even or whatever is I see the price start breaking above new highs here, and then it's risk free. So I'll continue to keep you updated. All I'm going to do right now is wait. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, just feel free and check the first link in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next one.